Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and it's my birthday today. And awesomely, I got a package in the mail. Since I'm editing this 2.5 months later, I decided it would be fun to also add in how the plants that I'm unboxing are doing right now. So you can see that at the end of this video. Oh, and it would be awesome if you would take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That really helps me. So thank you so much. From one of my Instagram friends, Sandra. I've never met her in person, but we've talked a lot. And so I guess she decided to send me something for my birthday, and I'm actually having cake in the garden with my parents, but I wanted to show you what's inside. I have no idea. I opened it, but I didn't look inside. So let's see. Ooh, it's definitely plants and chocolate and a little card. I love it. Rose with balloons. Oh, that's so cute. She says, I hope it's in time. It's on the exact day, so perfect timing. I may or may not share this with my family coming today. Thank you so much, Sandra. Ooh, I can't wait to see what this is though. Oh, that's adorable. Look, it's a tiny little jewel orchid. That's actually one that I don't have yet. So that's so cute. This is gonna live here with my other two. Thank you so much. I think this is a Ludicea discolor. That's beautiful. I hope I can keep this alive. Ooh, so exciting. I didn't expect plants because I saw that it was a little package in the mail, like it fit through the mailbox. So I knew she was sending me something, but I expected a card or something. What is this? Some kind of succulent. Are you gonna make me try succulents? Beautiful lines on the edges of the leaves. I hope I can root this and keep it alive. We will see. Ooh, nice. Two more. I just cleaned the whole house and I'm already putting soil everywhere again. So, whoops. This is a little Hoya vertusa, which I don't have yet. So that's awesome. So cute. I hope these will grow for me because they are so weird. I have no idea when they are happy or not happy, but very cute. Thank you so much. And then this last one is, I think, also a Hoya. I don't know which kind though. Ooh, this is actually a rooted cutting, so that's really good. You can see there. And there is a new growth point on there. So I want to make sure that these little leaf babies are safe. Beautiful succulent-y leaves. Yeah, this looks really cute. Thank you so much, Sandra. I can't wait to pot these up and make them grow, hopefully. Thank you. Let's get these sorted out and go back to my visitors. Here they are all potted up. I heard from Sandra, the vertusa doesn't actually like to be hot, so I have it in a plastic bag, but I'm gonna keep that open a little bit to not make it too hot. These guys are Sunisho something, and I have them in water to root. This tiny little orchid baby I have in moss, and that's actually gonna sit right here with my other two jewel orchids. I actually made a place for it already. So look, how cute is that? And then the Hoya is a Hoya fungii, she just told me. And look how cute this is. It's very succulent and a little bit velvet almost. And here you can hopefully see, there you go, the new growth point already. So cute. I'm so in love with this. This is gonna sit on my table for today to show my visitors that I got these awesome gifts. And then later on, I'll find a nice place for them. Hi. So it's now 2.5 months after unboxing these, and I wanted to show you updates and also tell you a little bit about how I grew these plants. They're all still alive, but after a few struggles. So let's go have a closer look. The first plant that I unboxed was this Sunisho type that, as you can see, is still alive, although the bigger cutting that I had definitely rotted away in the glass, in the water. Because I propagated this in water, I had no idea what I was doing with it. And this little one actually did grow roots, but interestingly enough, only at the bottom, at the end of the cutting. So it doesn't grow roots just anywhere like Hoyas do, but just only at the end. And I recently potted it in here. I don't know if you can see, but that is a mix of my regular aeroid mix with sand mixed in there. My mom, when I was younger, actually taught me about sand and using it in potting mixes because it can help drainage, improve drainage. But for a lot of aeroids and stuff, it's too dense. But then for these succulent-y types, it should work quite well. So that is sitting in here right underneath my big grow light. And I'm hoping it's gonna grow for me. I didn't do much to it like until recently, so I kind of ignored that one for a little bit, sorry. The next plant to show you is that adorable Ludicea discolor that is living in my tiny terrarium. As you can see, there's a slight change in here. This is all that is left from the Macotis petola, and the Macotis lowii completely rotted away because moss in here, it doesn't stay damp enough. So then it dries out and then I water it, but too much. So this is all that's left, but it is growing again, thankfully. And then this one, I don't really know if it has rooted, but it is growing. There is a little point here, which you can't see because there's moss on there. Let's move the moss away. There you go. Can you see the little new leaf? I did try and improve the humidity by adding this plastic layer, so that's a little bit more closed off. I don't know if it helps, but well, it's still alive, so that's good. But I think they're able to grow a lot faster in other better conditions. Let's look at the next one. This Hoya vertusa, which as you can see is growing quite nicely, but it did have some struggles. Ignore the little, do you see that? That is just incense ashes. I'd like to put my incense in this pot because it's the only pot in this window. I said earlier in the video already that this doesn't like the warmth as much, so I wasn't going to put it in a plastic baggie, but that was a little bit dumb because it does like high humidity, I learned. It's sitting here in my north-facing window, which is a lot less bright than my regular south-facing windows. And, ooh, ouch. After I noticed that it wasn't growing, it wasn't doing anything, I popped it in a plastic baggie. And as you can see, there's lots of new growth now. This long tendril is coming out. So it definitely does want high humidity. It just prefers a lower temperature and also a little bit less bright light, I think, because they're from higher up in the mountains. So it's a little bit more dampy and not as bright or hot, if that makes any sense. I actually just noticed that there is more than a few growth points, which I didn't realize. So this one was the first that was growing. But then at the base of that, there is another growth point. Oh, it looks very dirty with the ashes. And then that one is also starting to make a little tendril. So that's doing surprisingly well. I'm really happy with this. And I'm gonna close the plastic baggie again so it can keep growing. There we go, that's better. Maggie, are you chilling on the bed? Is this your favorite spot? She's so cute. She's chilling upstairs with the vertusa that's in the window over there. Now this last one I'm super excited about. It has quickly become one of my favorite Hoyas because first of all, it grows very well, but also it's very, very beautiful. The leaves are very big and fluffy, like soft. Let me show you. Here we go. This is the Hoya fungii that I named Sandra after the beautiful woman who gave it to me. Let's take it out for a moment. You can still see the two leaves it came with, this one and this other one on the right there, tiny. And then the next set of leaves that came out was actually a little bit damaged. Can you see this? But very, very big already compared to the old one. Then the next set was a little bit more perfect, but not as big. Then I got two that are huge and veiny and beautiful. There's a little bit of a spray on there because I like to spray my Hoyas every now and then, but it's very soft leaf. And then these two new ones that are coming out a little bit darker, and then they're starting to grow and become lighter. And on the end here on the tendril, you can see there's two more growing, and then it just keeps growing. So easy, so fun, and look at the fuzzy stems. Isn't that just stunning? It's like a pet that you want to pet all day. So I hide it on my Hoya shelf so I don't hurt it too much. What do you think? I never thought it would be this beautiful. Sandra, again, thank you so much. I love this gift. Literally one of my favorite Hoyas now. So that says a lot with a collection of 35 different kinds of Hoya now. I personally really like seeing plants grow in someone's care, like in one video, and not having to check another video to see the growth. So let me know if you enjoy that as well. I would love to hear. It is a lot easier to just make it a video in this moment and then make another video in the next moment. But since it happened this way, I'm very happy about it and I cannot stop staring at my own plant. I'm really sorry. It's so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, or if you were magically unsubscribed, like I said before. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.